my closet today. Cracked leather still fits like it used to. The scent takes me right back without warning, to smoke-filled rooms and feedback rings. Running my fingers across every tear, each scratch tells me where I've been. Time stands still when I put it on again, but the silence hits different now. Can't let go of yesterday. Can't let go, can't let go. The memories won't fade away. Won't fade, won't fade away. Still smells like that final night when the music died. Stage lights burned out one by one. Empty bottles lined up against the wall. Your guitar case leaning by the door. The last time we'd ever play that hall. Sometimes I catch myself reaching for the phone to call, but the number's disconnected and the venue's been torn down. All that's left is this worn out reminder of who we used to be. Can't let go of yesterday. Can't let go, can't let go. Memories won't fade away. Won't fade, won't fade. Still smells like that final night when the music died. When the music died. When the music died.